Onion juice for hair growth. Onion juice is believed to have several benefits for hair growth due to its rich content of sulfur, which is essential for the production of collagen and keratin, two proteins that are crucial for strong and healthy hair. Here are some potential benefits of using onion juice for hair growth. Stimulates hair growth. Onion juice may help in promoting hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles and increasing blood circulation in the scalp. It may also assist in regenerating hair follicles that have become dormant. Reduces hair fall. Onion juice has properties that can strengthen the hair strands, thereby reducing hair fall and breakage. It may also help in preventing thinning of hair. Fights scalp infections. Onion juice has antimicrobial properties that can combat scalp infections caused by bacteria or fungi, such as dandruff or scalp acne. A healthy scalp is crucial for promoting hair growth. Improves scalp health. Onion juice can enhance the overall health of the scalp by balancing oil production, reducing inflammation, and improving the pH level. This can contribute to a healthier environment for hair. To apply onion juice for hair growth. Extract the juice. Take a fresh onion and peel off the outer layers. Cut it into small pieces and blend or grate it to extract the juice. You can also use a juicer or a food processor for this purpose. Strain the juice. Once you have extracted the juice, strain it through a muslin cloth or a fine sieve to separate the onion pulp from the juice. This will ensure that you have a smooth liquid for application. Test for sensitivity. Before applying the onion juice to your scalp, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions or irritation. Wait for 24 hours to observe any adverse effect. Application. If the patch test doesn't cause any negative reaction, you can proceed with the application. Part your hair and apply the onion juice directly to your scalp using a cotton ball or a brush. Gently massage the juice into your scalp for a few minutes. Leave it on. After applying the onion juice, leave it on for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Some people prefer to keep it overnight for maximum benefits. Rinse thoroughly. Once the desired time has passed, rinse your hair and scalp thoroughly with a mild shampoo to remove the onion smell. You can follow up with a conditioner if needed. It's important to note that onion juice may have a strong odor that can linger even after washing. You may want to use a scented shampoo or try adding a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell. Additionally, if you experience any discomfort or irritation, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.